Hey folks, welcome back. Welcome to senior year and welcome to AP Lit. I just wanted to do a quick video for you to introduce vocab this year. And I know you've had vocab every single year of your high school career. And this year with AP, it's going to be a little bit different. First of all, there are no spelling tests. Although spelling is important in your writing, our vocab isn't testing your own spelling. It is really application of terminology. And so let me go through kind of how this will work. First of all, this is the first time I've done a flipped classroom. So this is the first time I've done these videos. So I'm going to be asking along the way for your feedback. And please be honest and give it to me. Tell me what you need, or if you need more examples, if you need me to talk less, whatever it is you might need. The plan is that on Wednesday morning, by Wednesday morning, I'm going to publish the video for the week. It will be your responsibility by the time you come to class on Friday to watch that video, to take notes on that video, to write down questions you have on any of the terminology or the examples. And then on that Friday, I'll spend some time answering your questions, going through other examples or re-explaining anything that I need to re-explain so you feel like you understand those terms. The plan is then the following Wednesday, you will have a test on those terms. The test always will consist of two parts. The first part is a very basic matching. Do you know what the term means? Now, the thing that you need to keep in mind is that I'm not going to use the exact same words in the video as I might put on your test. What that simply means is you need to know the term so well that you no matter how I word it, you'll still know, hey, she's talking about simile, or hey, she's talking about synecdoche. So it's not just memorizing a definition, it's being able to understand that definition. So first part, matching. Second part of your test is an application part. So I'm going to ask you to take the terms and to apply them to a text or to a passage or to a sentence. For instance, which literary device is being used in this passage, or which of the following literary devices is not used in this passage. It could be a question that gives you a short selection and it says, which of the following best describes the tone of this passage? Those kinds of questions that ask you to apply your knowledge and are you really understanding the terms? That's going to be kind of the real test part because you'll really know which terms you're understanding and you're getting and which you'll need to work more on. And then again, that Wednesday you'll take your test, the new video will be published, and we'll kind of go each week from there. The videos will be published on my YouTube channel, and I'll give you the link to that so you have access to those videos. You can watch them as many times, go back and review them. How many words per week? There's approximately 10 words per week, but sometimes there gets to be a few more because there's related words. I like to group words each week so it makes sense why we're doing these words together and why we're doing these words at this point in time. The words tend to get harder as we go throughout the year. The first ones are probably going to be familiar to you because they're words that we've been working on and you've seen since you were quite young. So there'll be some review in the beginning. But they'll get harder as the year goes on, and there'll probably be quite a few terms that you haven't seen before and that will be new for you. I think that kind of sums up vocab this year. I'll be showing you in class a little example of kind of what a test looks like. It's very, very similar again to what I explained in my video, but so you kind of have a visual. And be sure to bring any questions you have about vocab to class and we'll answer them. See you soon.